Introducing the 250cc Magician Enduro for sale from SaferWholesale.com. It's got nice street tires on it. However, you can take it off-road as well. You've got working headlights in the front. Your turn signals as well. Your mirrors on the top. And again, it's got the horn as well. Real nice, you can see which gear you're in. And we can ship these nationwide right to your front door. We have them in a few different colors. We've got black, blue, red, and green. Give us a call right now, SaferWholesale.com, 866-606-3991. We can nationwide ship right to your front door. So give us a call today. Again, SaferWholesale.com, 866-606-3991. It'll cruise up to 65 to 75 miles per hour, all depending on the weight of the rider. So give us a call today, 866-606-3991, SaferWholesale.com. LED brake lights in the rear. Again, the 250cc Magician for sale from SaferWholesale.com. 866-606-3991. Call and order yours today.